Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here with a new haul from Creative Memories. I already showed this on my other channel, Dare to Be Creative, and I'm showing it on this one just in case people watching this channel aren't aware that I'm also a Creative Memories consultant. So I'm going to show you what I got in my first haul, and if you would like to join, my information will be below, or if you'd like to order anything, my information will be below. Great products. So take care, I'll be right back. And I'm assuming the other video has been up by now, so I am a consultant as well. So if you ever want anything, let me know. My link will be below. But anyway, I just want to show you what I got. So I did get some stickers, and these are the 12 by 12. I use these to make some borders for scrapbook layouts. And these are, this one I know is on the clearance one, so I got this one. It's three sets of stickers, and all the stickers go with paper collections. But this was just some sticker clearances that I wanted the long border ones to make some strips out of. And these are kind of neutral colors, so I got those three. It comes in one pack. And that was like $5. And it doesn't say how many stickers in here. Just a 3-pack. But anyway, so I got that. I got these. These are, it's called Little Dreamer, so it's from the Little Dreamer collection. It's just kind of like a baby's collection, but it's not necessarily, but has some dream stuff. I like these, so I wanted to, again, the longer border ones to make some scrapbook layouts, and they have a lot of 12-inch ones on these collections, so I definitely wanted this collection. I have a border punch with the clouds on it and stuff, and I thought these, I've seen some layouts with these on the scrapbook layout pages, like, what am I trying to say, like ephemera, yeah. That went really nice with that collection, so looking forward to using that. This sticker set is just some words that you can use on your scrapbook layouts. You don't have to use them on scrapbook layouts. They can be on cards or anything, of course, as well. And they're just some black and white stickers. So, yes, I will be showing you some of my borders that I will be making. But I did pick up a lot of tools, and I still got some more tools to get. I really love their tools. These are circle tools. Yes, I have dies. Creative Memories were the first ones to come up with the cut around the circle blade. I mean, they had these out for years. I actually have had some of these sets. I got rid of some of them. The only one I have left was my ovals. And then somebody, I got them from one of my crops. They had given me some of these, but I gave them away to somebody a couple years ago. So I decided to get them back. This jumbo one and these circles one, a lot of their scrapbook layout templates, they use these shapes to make to match the templates. So it's easier, so they'd be trying to find dies to match them. These match them, and they have it based on the 3 different sizes and stuff. So it's just easier to use this to match it with the template to get things done quickly. So I got the circle set, and I'm sure most of you guys have probably seen these. I'm familiar with it. If you haven't, let me know. I can always do a demo. Those and the jumbo, and then the rectangles, and I already have the ovals. That was the only one I still had left. But like I said, years ago I had the circle ones and a different shape. So I got those. This is the cutting mat, which is just like any other mat in some respects. That, you know, most of us have a mat, but the reason why I got this 13-inch mat, easy to lay out your paper on it because it's bigger than 12 inches. You can use it for cutting your circles. It goes along with these shapes right here because it's a self-healing mat. It also has the angles up here for cutting, like if you're doing a sunburst layout and different things like that. It's kind of great to line things up. So I went and got this, and I've had one of their mats before in the past, and I loved it. So nice, sturdy, self-healing mat. It's really thick. So I got that. This is one of the templates. This was not necessarily one that I'm not a shamrock person. I don't, even though my family's Irish, I do not do shamrocks. Like, you know, that's just not my thing. I'm not a big St. Patty's Day. But this is still a flower, so I still got it, so you can still use it. It's a clover. So I got this. This is a template, and you use these to trace and to make scrapbook layouts. And you can use all the elements, part of the elements, and different things like that. So I went on and got it. Plus, these things, if you don't get them, they end up on eBay costing a ton. Oh my gosh, some of these templates on eBay, well, $100. Speaking of which, this is one I just got off of eBay. This one right here. I mean, somebody, they try to sell like crazy. I don't go but so high. I'll do double, but I won't do quadruple. People sell them 4 times the price. I may double it if I really want it, but I'm not going to that step. But people will go really high on these. So I try to get every single one that come out when they come out, because when their stuff sell out, they just sell them out and they don't necessarily always replenish. It depends on what it is, but a lot of things like these, they're only seasonal. So I get them when they come out. These were some mixed paper collections from National Scrapbook Day. This one is a sample pack. One is from last year. This one I think is this year, yeah. And this has different colors in it. It's a 10 pack. Is, let's see, 2 aqua, 2 dark sea green, 2 platinum shimmer, 2 shamrock, and 2 white. So this is their cardstock. I just got it because they were sample packs and they had multiple colors in it. Typically, their cardstock depends on if they have some for certain collections, but most of them are just one color. You know, like it'd be a 10 pack of green or whatever. But I like it. This is a shimmery paper. Let me just see that shimmer in it. This lighting, it's nighttime. And that's the white. And that is the, which one is this? Shamrock. No, that's the aqua, dark sea green. I'm not sure which one is which yet. I got them out of order. But it is aqua, dark sea. Yeah, that would have been the dark sea back here. And that's the aqua, yeah. Then this is one, a cardstock from the previous. You know, they're the ones who actually coined the National Scrapbook Day. Creative members did. And so in here you have, let's see, aqua, blue, dark green, scarlet, and white. There's the aqua. Dark blue. Look at that green. It's pretty. Look at that red. Oh, love that red. So true red. I know you can't see my lighting. And the white. So that's those colors. And I am trying to make some albums. I have like requests, and I'm trying to get some of my own ones done as well. Then I did get a couple paper collections. These were some that was on clearance, but really good price. I think it was like $5. And these, yeah, they were $5. And this is a 12 pack, double-sided summer paper. So really, that's what they look like. Right there. You gotta see, and it's 2 of each. Whew. I love that black polka dot. Very colorful. Hope you can see them. It's a nice summer beachy, because that's what this is called. This one is Citrus Summer. So it's got that beachy kind of feel. And that's what they look like. That's one set of paper pad. Again, that was on clearance. So. And then this one was Happy Birthday. This one was on clearance as well. And they have nice collections with the stickers, the project-like type, what we call them, cards like that you would think of. They have different stuff to go along with it, but I was just getting a couple pads that were just some different colors. And so this is what that looks like. And again, these are double-sided. I don't know if you can see as well up here in this horrible lighting. Wow. I like that ombre. This is a pretty, this blue ombre. That's the same one, sorry. So I will show you, of course, some of the things that I make with these. I'm just having an avalanche of everything over here right now. So I did want to show you some of the tools. I love the tools. So I've showed the border punch in my last one, and so these are two more border punches. This one is the icicle chain, which you ain't gonna really understand what that is unless you see it, and the climbing vine chain. But when I mix some products with them, you'll see. This is their 12-inch trimmer. Now I have, you know, a trimmer, and I've had the older version of this one that I'm going to show, and when I used to do creative members years ago, but they changed it up a little bit. I love this new version of it. It's so much better. Matter of fact, I'll show you. Is it right nearby? Do I? Nope, I thought I had it right here, but I just must have moved it because I've made so many videos. This is their trimmer. Of course, it has the arm. It goes out to 16. It has a foot on the back, so you can sit this out, and it will keep it level. The thing that's also neat about it is it has these cartridges right here. It has this patent-pending piece right here, and you probably can't see, to line up your guides up in here. This is a self-healing mat, which is, I think, takes 2,000 cuts or something before it needs to be replaced. This right here is a cartridge that you drop in and out, which is your blade, you know, so it's straight. But it also has other blades that go along with it, which I bought 2 of them. I'm going to buy the other one in my next one next month. So this one is Victorian, and this one is scalloped, and that's some of the looks. And it holds up to 12 different looks. You just take them out and you pop these little, they're different colors, so you know by the colors that you're using a different one. And you don't have to touch the blade. It is kept in this little thing. You just drop it in there and it pushes it out. It pushes it down like this, and it uses it. Which the old one, it didn't work like that, so I like the new one. And this back holds up to 12 slots. So I'm going to be getting all the rest of them in my next order. And I'll be able to do a demo and show you how all of them connect. But that's that. And so it's a really nice cutter. So I love it. My stuff that I have from back in the day, you know, over 10 years ago. Actually almost 15, 20 years ago. 20 years ago probably. Still works. I just like the new modern version of it, so I wanted to get that. And then the last thing I got was a water punch, which they're known for making nice little punches. Their punches are really good. I still have punches from 20 years ago when I started doing scrapbooking, and they still work. This one I got for maybe to make a recipe album. They have a paper collection to go along with it too, which is really nice. And they got another one of these border punches that's coming out with the next month with the, well, by this video up, it will be next month. It will be April by the time this is up. But they have one with the wine glass and goblets and stuff on it. And this one is the fork and knives. And of course, it sits flat like that. And of course, you open it by pressing it like that. And you can make a border chain like that. So you'll be able to see some projects with it, but this is nice. So that is kind of what I got. That is what I got. So this is my haul from Creative Memories. Again, my link will be below if you have any questions about anything, if you'd like to order anything, if you're into scrapbooking. They make cards, they do digital as well. Digital layouts, digital printing. If you just want to get your pictures printed, they have that well. Or you can get a digital printed out layout. The other thing they have, which is really cool, is that you can get their digital downloads. Take the images once you own them. You can download them, put them into your Cricut or your Silhouette, and use them to cut out paper, whatever images that they have. So that's another thing you can do if you prefer to cut it out or you scan and cut and stuff like that. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be